Got a 2008 Toyota Camry, 2.4 cylinder. Today I'm going to show you how to change your spark plugs, which are under this cap right here, and your air filter in the box right there. These are the spark plugs I'm going to be using. That's the part number. Perlator 1, air filter I'm going to be using. Part number right there. For the air filter, you have one 10mm here toward the front of the car. You go straight back, got another one down there. Once you take out the two 10mm, you're going to grab the box. You see back here, see that? Just lift it up. And you're going to want to clean all that out. Okay, there's the filter. It's hard to do with one hand. There you go. There's the air filter. And if you look at it, you got a round edge here, and over here you got a 90-degree edge. Other ones are round. So when you put the new one in, you want to go back just like that. Square going toward the back of the car to the left. Alright? There's a bad air filter right here. Okay, once you got your new one in, if you look back here, see that tab? You got a tab in the front and a tab in the back. You're going to want to put the box in at an angle to go down and lock them tabs in right here, both front and back, and push this straight down and bolt it in and you're good to go. Okay, now for the spark plugs. You got one, two 10mm nuts or bolts. Sometimes the nuts come out, sometimes the bolt and the nut comes out. So take these two off to get this cover off right here. And that gives you access to the coil packs on top. Okay, took the two nuts, came out, the bolt stayed in this time. And that's it, just pop this right off. Set that aside. There's your coil packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10mm bolts on top. Okay, I took out the bolts. I'm going to take out the harness here. You push this down, this little tab, and you pry it back. That's one. Push the tab down, pry it back. Two. Little tab, push it down, pry it out. There's three. This one I took off already. Once you got the harness out, you just grab it. The coil pack, rock it out. I usually keep everything in order. So here's one there. Here's two. Wiggle, wiggle. Here's three. And wiggle, wiggle. Here's four. That's your coil packs. If you notice, they have a rubber seal, rubber gasket. Make sure these stay on, because look, this one didn't come on, so that one is still on top of the head. Take your gasket, this is what it looks like. Groove side goes down. Put that back on. Just put it in there like that, that's it. Now what you need is a 5/8 spark plug socket. Okay, take your 5/8 spark plug socket on your ratchet with a 12-inch extension. Go in, put it on your spark plug, and just back it off. Pull it out. That's what you get. You just do the same thing for each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's what you have. Here's the old spark plug. This was an iridium one from NGK. I'm going with an iridium one this time from Denso. There's the part number IK20. There's the tip, what they look like. It's a fine tip on the iridiums. See how it wears down in there? And the tip wears away. So this was definitely due. There's the 4 old ones, 4 new ones. First thing you want to do is apply never sees, anti-seize, never sees around the threads. You're putting steel threads into an aluminum head, so you always want to put anti-seize. You could buy them in little envelopes. They usually have them by the cash register in the AutoZone or Advance. Just a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Put them all back in. Okay, that's what it looks like with the never sees applied to it. You look inside your spark plug socket, 5/8. See that rubber washer in there? When you put new spark plugs in, let me see if I can do this one here. They go in like this, right? When you put this in, the rubber washer holds on to the spark plug. Watch. See? So when you put it in, with your extension, no ratchet, alright? Put it in. Start it always by hand. You never want to just go right at it with a ratchet, because if you do that, you cross thread that, you're in trouble. So every one of these, you start by hand. And just keep going until it gets tight. You know what's in there good. Pull it out, no more spark plug. Do the same thing for each one, all of them by hand. Okay, here's the secret, guys. 3/8 ratchet, right? This is a 3/4 ratchet. You don't ever want to put spark plug sockets with anything this big. Okay? That's a joke, in case you didn't know. 3/8 ratchet, right? I started all of them by hand. Put it in, right? Crank, 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 right? Tighten it down. Comes to a point where it gets tight. Look, one finger, that's it. You don't want to go He-Man on it and destroy your threads. You destroy your threads, you're going to be in for hell. Look, tighten it down, one finger. Get a good, you know, it's just a feeling, it comes with experience. You know when it's tight, okay? Each one is tightened. One finger, good, okay? Ain't nothing, it's not gonna jump out the engine or rip through and blow out the hood or anything like that. You don't need to tighten it down like a lug nut or anything like that, okay? Once you're done with tightening them all up, you take your coil packs. You could put dielectric grease in here, but I don't have it. What you would do is take, there's another little pack that they sell by the cash registers, a little envelope. Squirt a little bit inside of here, dielectric grease. That keeps water out from ever seeping in there. The chances that they get past this O-ring right here makes it a good contact, so no water gets in there. But I don't have any of that, so it's going in dry. That's it. Put your coil packs in. Same way they came out. 1, 2. Make sure they're seated good. 3. And 4. Okay. Put your harnesses back on. 1, 2. 3. 4. You should hear a click, but as you can see here, the tab that you press over here, there should be a tab here that you press to release it, they all broke off. That just comes with age. This car has 169,000 miles on it. All the heat made it brittle, so no worries. Push them in good. See, they all broke off. Get your bolts. 4 bolts, 10 millimeters. And that's it. You bolt them all back down in, and you're good to go. Same deal here when you tighten these up. You don't want to go He-Man strength on it. Alright, tightened all 4 of these up. Take your cover. There goes 1. There goes 2. Cover's on. Find your nuts. You should know where those are at all times. There you go. Started by hand, 1, 2, same thing. All it does is hold the cover down. You don't want to He-Man it. Cover ain't going anywhere. Alright, there's 2. There you go. Air filter, 4 spark plugs, done in 15 minutes, if that. Alright, start your car up. Watch the engine run smooth because you did basically a tune-up right there. These cars don't have gas filters, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's about it, fellas. Have any questions, concerns on any vehicle, you can send them to me in the comments below. I always get back to everybody. All right, take care, fellas.